Welcome back to Autoamatrix, the place where smart design, real-world driving, and future-focused technology come together. Today we're exploring a car that might look small on the outside, but delivers big in every way that matters. The 2026 Citroën C3. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a city commuter, or just someone who loves compact hatchbacks with personality, this new C3 is going to grab your attention. Let's start with what you see first: the exterior. The Citroën C3 2026 has undergone a significant redesign, and it's clear that Citroën wanted to make a statement. The front end now features a bolder stance, with Citroën's updated logo sitting proudly in the center of a redesigned grille. The V-shaped LED daytime running lights stretch into the body, creating a visual width that gives the car a more assertive presence on the road. The design feels more rugged, almost SUV-inspired, with black cladding around the wheel arches and bumpers, which adds a bit of off-road character, even if most C3s will never leave the city. The color options have been expanded as well, with vibrant two-tone combinations that really let you personalize the vehicle. Citroën knows that buyers in this segment love to express themselves, and the 2026 C3 delivers on that front. Roof rails, new alloy wheels, and compact proportions give it a youthful and energetic vibe that sets it apart from the more conservative designs in its class. Now step inside, and you'll notice just how far Citroën has come with interior quality and layout. The 2026 model feels like a major step forward. You're greeted with a clean, horizontal dashboard layout that feels spacious and modern. At the center is a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen that handles infotainment, navigation, and connectivity features. It supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can leave your cables at home. The seats are classic Citroën, wide, cushioned, and built for comfort. Their advanced comfort program is no joke, and even in a car this size, the ride quality is impressively smooth. Citroën has clearly prioritized everyday comfort over hard-edge sportiness, and that's exactly what makes the C3 stand out. Whether you're in heavy city traffic or cruising on a weekend drive, it feels effortless. In the back, there's enough room for two adults to sit comfortably, which is saying something for a car in this segment. Headroom and legroom are more generous than you'd expect, and the boot space is practical enough for daily errands, grocery runs, or a weekend getaway with a couple of bags. Under the hood, Citroën is offering multiple engine options depending on the market. The standard version gets a fuel-efficient petrol engine, a 1.2-liter three-cylinder unit that balances peppy performance with excellent mileage. In some markets, there's a mild hybrid version available, and yes, Citroën is also rolling out the EC3, a fully electric version with around 320 kilometers of range on a single charge. That electric variant is especially exciting, offering zero emissions with real-world practicality and affordability, targeting a new generation of eco-conscious urban drivers. The 2026 C3 also brings in some clever features that enhance everyday usability. There's a customizable digital instrument cluster, voice control integration, automatic climate control, and USB-C ports for both front and rear passengers. Some models even come with a heads-up display that projects speed and navigation onto a transparent screen above the dashboard, something usually found in much more expensive cars. On the safety side, the new C3 comes with Citroën's latest suite of assistance features. Lane departure warning, forward collision alert, rear parking sensors, and hill start assist all come as standard. Higher trims also include a rear-view camera, driver attention alert, and even autonomous emergency braking. But what really makes the Citroën C3 2026 special is its identity. It doesn't try to be something it's not. It's not pretending to be a luxury vehicle, a performance hatchback, or an off-road SUV. Instead, it focuses on what matters to most drivers: comfort, efficiency, style, and a bit of fun. And it delivers on all of those points with confidence. Pricing is expected to remain highly competitive, starting at around $15,000 for the base petrol model and going up to around $23,000 for the fully electric EC3. That's a very attractive proposition for a car that looks this good, drives this well, and offers this much equipment. So, if you're looking for a city-friendly car that breaks the mold of boring hatchbacks, the Citroën C3 2026 might just be your perfect match. It's quirky, clever, and quietly one of the smartest small cars you can buy right now. Thanks for watching Autoamatrix. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Citroën C3, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more car reviews and previews, and drop a comment below. Would you choose the C3 over its rivals like the Renault Clio or Volkswagen Polo? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, drive safe, and keep exploring.